Good morning everyone, welcome back to my another vlog again. So guys, today I'm super excited. It's because I'm going out with my best friend. So chalo देखते हैं हमारा दिन कैसे होती है. But before that, please don't forget to like, subscribe my channel. Till then, thank you. Guys, as you can see, बारिश हो रही है. Not that heavy, लेकिन थोड़ा थोड़ा बारिश हो रही है. But whatever, we are not going to cancel our plan and we are going to meet up. Hi guys, so as you can see, we dress up hurry. Right now we're having a tea because Dada banai dishes so outdoor kalam nik cha khase. Or outdoor ya nai. Or पानी भी गिरा खत्म होना है पहले भी जाओ कि ना प्लान क्रिशियस for ready to push. And this is my today's outfit. Guys, so as you can see, I gave a dress screen chahapi kapi khotomoishi holibi auto data to the talk. So I'm waiting him till now. Or like dada apshite moi mola bestie lo korde chao tatera mola bestie la dada ra mojana destination de ponchao tupchede mo apne hange jaka dikhao so that even you can come and visit the places na. Oh, mola nail polish too. So I think I got time to pen adado shoot ani moi alop pen kulo mola nail ski. Yeah, आजकल टाइम भी ना पोई तो खान लगा बोली लिए वीडियो बनाता है जैसे इशलो माय गॉड आधा आधा नेल पॉलिश तो खान just looks so bad. Killing my time to dali na tadagi request that. I told him to come by 2:40, but it's already going to be I think 3. Okay, it's like this. It's Ellie 18. My name. Okay, so finally auto is coming. Huh? No to kaşıma. Twinning coincidentally with a red color.
I think of you every day, every day. And I miss you everywhere, everywhere. I think of you every day, every day. And I miss you everywhere, everywhere. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, I feel like gonna be a better girl. This is who I am, who I am. When we're together, we make the moment that we're not alone. You everything to me, everything to me. Every day, everywhere. I think of you every day, every day. And I miss you everywhere, everywhere. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, I feel like gonna be a better girl. This is who
We're
I
having a good
am,
time.
who
Look
I
here.
am. When we're together, we make the moment that we're not alone. You everything to me, everything to me. Every day.
Guys, I'm so sorry মই ঘৰত আগেবাৰ পঞ্চি যাইছি হলি মই ঘৰ পঞ্চালা vlog বনাবলৈ পৰা নাই because I was so in rush to go to pastor. Actually, তাই মই কি like he called me up by 6:30, so I wasn't out na. But I shouldn't, as you know. So my pastor like out of like sudden he called me up and then he told me to like reach his house by 6 to do any my man rush right na ni pada dress change kuina talade chaina meeting kuina ishi. So I'm so sorry gode ponchala video banawali paranai. Anyways, we have a conference for 3 days in our village, so to cross head karne all of discussion group kuna matishi, so I went and then I came back. And yeah, I'm so sorry, I mean like today's vlog was not that full because as you know the weather was not good, it was raining, so I could not able to vlog the places nicely. But so sorry, I'll try to make it next time in a good other days. Okay, so I hope you guys like watching my video and hope you enjoy. Thank you. Bye bye.